Right, okay. Today what we are going to learn is through this sheet. This is actually a downloaded version. So what we are going to learn today is about some more things like filtering and then searching, filtering, and actually we have discussed about the other things like conditional formatting. We have applied it here, conditional coloring. And so let's do the filtering part soon. Actually, if I want to, okay, so assume that I want to take these marks and I want to create a new sheet with these marks. I'm going to copy this.
Sir,
Yes.
have you also download this docs?
Don't need to do that. If you can do online, that is okay. But if you can
Okay.
do offline, that is also okay. So anything that you prefer. So I have download. Actually, I just wanted to make it some faster. That's why I downloaded, right? Okay, so let me copy this and I'm going to create a new sheet. I'm going to create a new sheet by pressing this plus button. You can see. Oh, the shortcut to create a new sheet is, you can see, Control N, Control M or Control N. You can create a new sheet here. So actually I'm going to copy that to the new sheet. So whatever I have copied from here, I can paste it to the new sheet. Here I'm going to paste this. So now what I'm going to do? Now what I'm going to do, let me change the ranking function to, it should be F2 to F8. Okay. So now I just want to sort this or filter this. If I want to filter this, what I'm going to do is I'll select the entire table and select this sort and filter option. Select the entire table like this and select, so you can see this, let me make it larger, and then you can select sort and filter option. So here I'm using filter. Then when you need, like for an example, when you need marks, let's say you need those who got marks, let's say greater than, those who got more greater than 75 for mathematics, greater than 75 to mathematics. You can, then you can click on this and you can see you will get all the student got greater than 75 marks. If I want to filter greater than 90 marks, you can see no one got greater than 90. If I select greater than 80 mark, yeah, there are some got greater than 80. If I want greater than 85 marks, you can see them. So this is why filter is important, right? Okay, try whether you can apply filtering in Google Sheets. Google Sheets වල filtering කරන්න පුළුවන්ද කියලා බලන්න. It's possible. You can try. You have to try how to filter in Google Sheets. Or you can download if you want. You can download and select this all these things and then select filter here, sort and filter. Or in your Google Sheet, you can go to your Google Sheet, do the same, select everything, then filter option. Then you can filter this. And you can see there will be small three lines appearing in the corner, that is to filter. Then if you want to select those who got more than like 80 marks, filter condition should be greater than, here, greater than, yes, 85 marks. Then you can see those who got greater than 85 marks only. Can you apply the same filter? Those who got max mark greater than 85. Can you apply the filter and show it to me? Those who are having yes difficulties and those who are new to the class, I can give the sheet to you. So if anyone new to the class need the sheet, this
So
sheet,
how to apply it in the phone?
yes, you can apply in the phone. So, but I think you have to find this menu. But otherwise, if it is not there, you
So
can go
how
to the
to?
data menu and turn on filter. Data menu එකේ තියෙනවා filter කියන එක. Phone එක use කරනවා නම් data menu you have filter. First you have to select everything. Select. Go to data menu. There's something called filter. Filter views. Create new filter view. And you can see that filter comes here. Okay. Try it first, then I'll give the note, right? Try it first by yourself, then I'll give the note.
Sir, can you send the link again? Excuse me, sir, can you send the link again?
The method one is you can select, yeah, this is the filter icon. This is very simple. Click the filter icon, it will apply. The second method is you can go to data menu. There you have filter views, create new filter. That is the second method. Data menu. First you have to select, right? First you have to select everything. Then go to data menu. Then filter views, create new filter. That is the second method. Or you can just click on this button, the filter, create filter. One click, it will create a filter. But you have to select the correct set of data, right? Select the correct set of data and click filter. Then after creating the filter, what you have to do? Filter හැදුවට පස්සේ go to match 1 marks. Go to match 1 mark. I think you can see my screen පුතේ. Match 1 mark වලට ගිහිල්ලා click on this filter icon here. මේ අර පල්ලයට තියෙන filter icon එකක් තියෙනවා. ඒක උඩ click කරන්න. Click on the filter icon, then go to filter by condition. Filter by condition. There you select greater than, then the formula 85. Then it will filter the value, the match 1 mark, which are greater than 85, and then click OK. එතකොට බලා ගන්න කොහොමද කරන්න ඕන කියලා. Filter menu එකේ filter by condition greater than 85, then click OK, and you will get marks greater than 45. Anandi, I have helped you. You have to help me now. Your help is actually you have to redo the things from the beginning. I'll remove the filter. Now you can do it again. So let's say Aditi. Yeah, you have applied the filter, Aditi. Good. Tevindu in the class. Tevindu, you are in the class or not? It seems he's absent today. Right, okay. Then, right, that's all. Sorry. So please do this quickly, then I can give the note පුතේ. ඉක්මනට කරන්න. Hiruka, yes, I think Hiruka filter 1 එකේ ඉන්න ඕන 85ට වැඩි කට්ටිය පුතේ. filter එක වා දැම්මේ කොහෙටද? match 2 වලටද? match 3 වලට දාලා තියෙන්නේ. match 3 වලට වා දාලා. හරි කමන්නේ. You have locked the sheet. Hiru, lock කරන්න එපා. Viduni, you can try. Yes, I think you are doing that. Good. You can apply the filter. Thiranya, Inuka. Now you have to apply the filter putte. Match 1 greater than match 1 neke. You click the filter sign, filter by condition, then select greater than from this, then give your value. Then you can filter the values greater than 85. Just give the value 85 and it will filter. And click OK after that. Right. Likewise, everyone can apply filters, right? Even you are using mobile phone, you can do this. Because in mobile phone also you have this data, and you can go to this filter views and create new filter, then you can do this. So prefer if you can do in computer, but do in mobile phone, it's also okay. Okay, let's try down the note there. Let's write down the note there. Since many of you have done, we can write the note. Okay, this is please write the heading data filtering. Data filtering. Filtering can be done to select specific group or specific value out of some data range. Example, students who got more than 85 marks for Maths 1 paper. So that is this one. Student who got more than 85 marks for Maths 1 paper. That is, so basically you select everything. First you have to select everything, apply the filter, then go here. So select, you can here also you can type greater than 85. That will also work. But you have to type greater than 85. Click OK. That will also work, but in most of the cases, so that will not be selected, but you can use this filter by condition or filter by value thing. Right? Filter by value, you can select the exact value if you want. 85, yes, exact value you can select. Or you can select greater than, is greater than the value 85. So this is how you are going to select your filter. And after filtering, you will get the data greater than 85. But you have to click OK to get that data filtered. So please draw this roughly. No need to draw everything, but please draw this roughly, right? I'll insert that to my note. Please draw this roughly. No need to draw the table, but anyway, at least the condition. It says internet connection is unstable. So let's take another one. Right, if you are done, please write this one as well. Data sorting. Data sorting. This is used when you need to order the data according to ascending or descending value. This is used when you need to order data according to ascending or descending value. Again, the same thing, when you go there, if you want to order this in descending value, first you have to remove the filter. Right? First you have to select everything and click on the filter icon again. Filter icon again, it will remove the filter. Now you can see all the data. So now if you want to arrange this in descending or ascending order, please go to this and select sort smallest to largest. Sort smallest to largest. Then you can see it will be sorted. But you can see headings will go down, but that is not good. So then you can say largest to smallest. So that will be okay. But when you say sort smallest to largest, you can see headings going down. That's not good. So how you can stop that? You can go to custom sort, and there you can select sort by column. So which column you want to see? Sort by, let's say, sort according to the total. Sort by column F. Sort on the values, smallest to largest, and you can tick my list has headers. Then it will not sort the headers. Now you can see smallest to largest is selected without the headers. Right.
Excuse me, sir, how to do that in Google Sheets, sir?
Yeah, we'll show, right? Viduni, the problem is you are using mobile, you know, Viduni. Viduni, you are using the mobile, you know, you are using mobile, so I think. So when you are using mobile, Pute, right? When you are using mobile, you have to do one thing. So when you want to open a link using mobile phone, you have to download Google Sheets app. There's an app called Google Sheets. Otherwise, you will not be able to edit. I think that's the issue that you are getting. When you are using mobile phone, you cannot open the link since you have to open that right, using Google Sheet app. That is the problem, I think, right? I think you can hear me, right? So if you want to open that, please use Google Sheet app. Hello. Let's see again. So I'll show the steps. Right? I'll show the steps again. So please select everything.
To the data sorting.
Yeah, please select everything. Then custom sort. Right? In the custom sort, basically, you have to select sort by the column total values smallest to largest, and you have to select my list has headers. So this is how you apply the custom sort. Okay, in Google Sheets, if you want to apply custom sort in Google Sheets, you can go there, right? In Google Sheets, you can select here, so whatever the values that you want to sort, and just remove the filter. Then you can see all the values. Just remove the filter, selecting no filters. Then you can see the filters are removed. Or in the data menu, you can say turn off filter. You can see everything now. Select again, data menu, use here sort sheet by column J, A to Z. So it shows that. So you can say sort range. You can select sort range. Data menu, sort range. In sort range, you can use, you want to sort by column, which one? The total is column F. And you want to sort column F from smallest to largest or largest to smallest. And you can say this list has header row. This list has data has header row. Then sort it. You can see it sorted. Understood? Right? Let me show it again. Select the range. Go to data menu and sort range. Sort range. there, please select I have header row and select the total column A to Z. So that's how you basically sort. Right, let me add that to the note. Right, Viduni, did you fix the error issue?
No, sir.
I think you are connected
Gone to
using
a
mobile phone, no?
No, sir. Laptop.
Laptop. Then you can click the link and open. Laptop पे के පුළුවන් පුතේ. Mobile phone එකේ
The
දුන්න.
link.
Link
I
එක
join
නැති.
again.
You need to link again. So can someone send the link? Minul, you had the link, no? Okay, let me copy and paste it again. So someone can send you the link. Okay, now you can see. Yeah, Hirushan. So you can see one of these, right? So you got two links. You can open one of these and you can see that. If you're using laptop, you can open that, right? And one another thing. So if you join Edmodo Pute,
Just
Edmodo,
open it.
what it says? Can you tell me what it says?
ගැටලුව පූරණ කෙරේ.
පූර්ණය කෙරේ. එහෙම එන්නේ පොඩ ඉන්න මම චේන්ජ් කරලා බලන්නම් permission. ඔයාගේ email එකක් තියෙනවද නැත්නම් පාවිච්චි කරන්නේ?
Yes, sir.
So what is that? Can you tell me the email?
ලලිත් ධර්මරත්න
Lalit
75
DHA the.
ධර්ම. Sir, I type and
Okay, please send it. Then I can share to that email. So if you have that permission issue, but should be okay because I have shared with all permissions to everyone. Just click it again and try. If not, I'll share the link to you. Okay, please use this one and try whether you can open the last link that I have sent. If not, I'll share the link to you. Okay, anyway, right. Okay, I'll share the email, share to this email too, right? Then you can later edit this. Anyway, this is available even after the class, right? Class එකෙන් පස්සෙත් ඔයාලට මේක available. ඉතින් ඔයාලට මේක ඕන වෙලාවක use කරලා edit කරන්න පුළුවන්. Videos බලන ගමන් edit කරන්න. Okay, added the email.
excuse me, sir, still I can't.
Right, okay. So I think it should come to the email now, right? I think that email has small errors, it seems. Quickly, right? Let's go to our note. You can write down this. So no need to draw this in everything because basically, please draw the important things only. No need to draw the everything because I'll send the link. I'll send the note to you. But important things, please write down. This is used when you need to sort data according to the ascending or descending order. How you do in the data menu, you can go to, in the data menu, you can go to sort and select custom sort. So data, sort, custom sort. Or you can go to in Google Sheet. It is in Google Sheets. You have to go to data menu, sort range. Data menu, sort range. Then after going to the particular one, you can select the sort in order as given below. And after going to this sort menu, you can select the sort following way. So how basically we have to let's insert the picture. And you can see this basically you have to select data has header row, otherwise header will also be sorted. Data has header row කියන එක දාන්න ඕන. නැත්නම් header row එක ආයේ sort වෙනවා. Then you have to select sort by total, this one, and ascending or descending order. So please add that. And anyway, so you will be disconnected now within like 10 or 20 seconds. You will be disconnected, right? So what you have to do is please reconnect using the same link. So now you can just copy or write the link, write the note. Please write the important things only. So that is this one. Okay, after the this next session, so next session, that next session means next Zoom session. Then while disconnect වුණාට පස්සේ I join in. So after you join, we'll discuss about the last topic, that is charts. How to insert charts. That we are going to discuss next after you rejoin it. Actually, to do that, you have to go to this one, and from there, I'm going to create a chart of total marks obtained by each student. So then I have to select names and total. Names and total only. How to do that? තැනින් තැන තියෙන දෙකක් select කරන විදිය. We did that. How to do that? By pressing. How to select two ranges, put it. This range and this range, how to select?